Welcome to the beauty ritual video on how to use your Gua Sha. To start, we'll use the round end beads, starting from the base of your neck at 45 degrees angle, sliding it upward towards the base of the skull, repeating each position 3 times. Then using the long edge of the Gua Sha on the back side of the neck. And moving to the side of the neck, there's a lot of lymphatics around the neck area. And then on the front side of your neck. And more towards the center, but not right in the center. All the way up to the base of the chin. Then moving to the other side on the back side of your neck again. To the side of your neck. To the front side of your neck. And a little bit closer to the center, but not right in the center yet. And we'll use the 2 round beads onto the front directly. Light pressure, gentle pressure. Moving across the jawline on one side, from the center moving outward, staying at 45 degrees angle. Then around the lips. Then turning the Gua Sha onto the long edge again, starting from the edge of the nostril, sliding it outward. There is acupressure point for nasal congestion, sinusitis and rhinitis. And then up a little bit higher towards the reach of the nostril. Really feeling the whole plate of the Gua Sha along the side of the face. And then right underneath the eye, using the whole plate, feeling the jade crystal stone. And then turning it onto the round edge, and then around the eyes, all the way out to the temple. So the buff is just right below the bony prominent of the eyebrows. And then you'll start from the medial end of the eyebrow, sliding it outward around the eyebrows, all the way to the temple. There's a lot of tension, headache, or sore eyes, so it's a great release. Using the long edge of the Gua Sha onto the forehead, sliding it up and outward. And we'll move on to the other side, starting from the jawline, the chin all the way out, the jaw. Around the lips. There is the heart meridian and organ in the center above the lip, just below the nostril. And then using the long edge, moving from the side of the nostril outward. Moving upwards a bit more into that reach of the nostril, as far out as you feel more comfortable. Then right underneath the eye, Feeling the whole plate of the Gua Sha. That balancing effects and healing properties of the Gua Sha. Then turning it around to place it around the eye, all the way out to the temple, where there's a lot of tension there that can be held around the inside of the eyebrows and all the way out. And then from the center, once again, the middle of the eyebrows, sliding it outward around the eyebrows into the temple. It's quite a nice acupressure point there. And then moving to the long edge of the Gua Sha, just around the forehead, moving outward and upward. And lastly, using the brush side of the comb to brush around the whole skull, releasing any head tension. Stimulating hair follicles, promoting more circulation and blood flow and chi flow. And once you finish, take a moment and notice how glowing and radiant your skin, your face, your head feels.